This is a quick video showing you how to replace your HID bulb in your headlights on this is a 2007 Lincoln MKZ. I've watched videos and I was appalled to see how these people are taking the front bumper and grill off, man, just to change the bulb. No, you don't need to do that. This is the easy way. Well, of course, you know, on the driver's side, all you gotta do is reach in here, pull this little plastic cap off, twist your bulb, probably not even a quarter of a turn to the, let me see, how did I have that? I already changed mine. You're gonna turn your bulb not even a quarter of a turn. There's the bulb down there. I already changed it out because I put some 6,000 HIDs. I like a little more white light instead of the kind of like amber light that it puts out. But give it just a barely a quarter turn toward the left, and it pops right out. Unplug it, plug your new bulb in, plug the new bulb in, twist it back in. This side is a little more trickier. Now I saw a guy he took all of this off, bumper covers, the little flap in here and all that. He took all that off. You didn't need to do that. This is all you need to take off, and it's held with a Phillips screw. Where is it? Okay, I got it up here on this right here. That's all you have to take off. It goes right there. You can reach your hand in there, grab the bulb. I've already taken it out. Grab the bulb, unplug it. Simple as that. But these are some 6,000K bulbs that I bought. They kind of match the I got LED bulbs in my fog lights, the actual LED for the headlight bulb, not just those little bullshit ass LEDs. These jokers are bright. This is the old bulb. I'm trying to get the new bulb out. Kind of tricky doing this with one hand. But this is the new bulb. Make sure you don't touch that bulb with your hands. It's my e-cig. I had to take a little toke. But I advise, you know, using some rubber gloves, to do this. Well, I do it a lot because I change all my friends' bulbs and stuff in their cars. So I'm pretty good at not touching those bulbs. But this is all you do, man. Pop this little thing off. You notice these little grooves. Excuse me with all this moving because these mosquitoes are tearing my ass up. Let's sit the camera down so just pop that off. Like so. And you get your new bulb. And you pop it back in. Just line it up, just line the little grooves up. That's all you got to do. Line the little grooves up, push this back in, make sure it gives it a little snap. There you have it. Now I can't do it with the camera on, but just to, you know, just to show you, it's just easy access, man. That's what that little panel is there for. Put your bulb back in, plug it up, put the little plastic cap back on it, you're good to go. Hope this helps somebody out. Don't waste your time taking off the bumper and all that. You don't need to.